Beating the Odds, a guide to understanding and using this English phrase. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very inspiring and powerful English phrase, beating the odds. It's a phrase that carries a lot of weight and meaning, especially when talking about overcoming challenges or achieving success against all expectations. Stay with us as we explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you incorporate it into your English conversations. Beating the odds is an idiomatic expression used to describe a situation where someone achieves success despite very low chances of success. It implies overcoming obstacles or difficulties that seemed insurmountable. The odds refer to the probabilities or chances of a particular outcome, often used in the context of gambling. But in everyday language, it pertains to any situation with a likelihood of success or failure. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from personal achievements to sports and business. When you want to highlight someone's success in a challenging situation, you can say they are beating the odds. It's a way to acknowledge their effort, determination, and resilience. In personal achievements, despite being diagnosed with a severe illness, he completed his marathon, truly beating the odds. In sports, the underdog team won the championship, beating the odds. In business, launching a startup in a competitive market and succeeding is like beating the odds. To help you better understand how to use this phrase, here are a few examples. After recovering from a serious injury, the athlete was back on track, beating the odds. She was the first in her family to graduate from college, truly beating the odds. Despite the economic downturn, their business thrived, beating the odds. These examples show that beating the odds can be applied in any scenario where someone surpasses expectations and overcomes challenges. Beating the odds is not just a phrase, it's a testament to human resilience and determination. We hope this video helps you understand its meaning and encourages you to use it in your conversations. Remember, no matter how insurmountable a challenge may seem, there's always a possibility of beating the odds. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Keep learning, and keep beating your own odds.